In this 55th video of FreeCAD series, we will talk about how you can sweep a sketch along a trajectory. This particular tool inside FreeCAD is known as Additive Pipe. Not only we will talk about sweeping a constant section along the trajectory, but we will see also how you can utilize actually multiple different sections such that not only you sweep the path, but also you vary the path. But that particular part you're going to see in our 56th video. Hey there everyone, welcome to Engineering Pritam. If you are new to this channel, I would consider you to subscribe if you want to follow more such engineering topics and also would like to follow this FreeCAD series. If you like these kind of engineering topics, as in this channel you will find several engineering topics including this FreeCAD series where I will be covering FreeCAD from very beginning to advanced level. Alright, so let's get back to the topic for this video, which is how we can do additive pipe or how we can sweep a section along a trajectory. So for that, here you can see I am already in FreeCAD part design workbench and I just created a body. Now let me enable the origin so that we can see the datum planes as well as axis, and let me quickly create our first ever sketch, and this particular one is that I'm gonna use as a section which I will be sweeping along certain axis. So here we can see we have just created this section. Now let me click here on sketch again, and this time I'm gonna select this XZ plane. Now what I can do here is I can use point such that I locate the center of it. Now let me click again on sketch, and this time I'm gonna use XZ plane to make the trajectory. And of course we can also create a 3D trajectory using datum planes, datum lines, and so on. But right now I will be raising the bar step by step. So let me plot here the trajectory. So let's actually project this. Okay, for that I'm gonna use this tool and I will be selecting it. Now by selecting this, you can see now I have projected this particular line here so that I can easily find the center point. Now I'm gonna use point and let me place it at midpoint, and now I will be forming the sketch here, and for that I'm gonna choose B line. And of course you can also use line. It is totally up to you. This I wanted to make it more flexible. And of course we can use another geometry like line here. So let me add line from here. And of course I need to add tangent here for smoother transition. So tangent. Alright, so here we can see we have applied tangent. Now let me click on close, and in this way we have plotted the section and the sweep axis. Now let me go here on the top and hit Additive Pipe, and it shows us following and it says valid. So let me select the sketch one and click OK. So the sketch one is the object or the sketch that I would like to sweep along a path. Now here when you select the object or a path along which I would like to sweep this section, so let's click that. And there we go. Now since this is built in two parts or two different entities, the first one is spline and the line. Now let's click here on add edge, and I'm gonna start with this one. So let's select this and then add edge and then this one. So in this way guys, you can see we have swept this profile along this trajectory. Now you may say that this is not perfectly perpendicular. Well, I would say there are several possibilities, and in FreeCAD you can change this by changing these options. So from standard I can go fix, and now it seems like it is perfectly parallel to the XY plane. Now there are other options as well, which you can play and customize based on your requirement. So that's how guys we can sweep the profile along constant section inside FreeCAD. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Engineering Pritam to follow us along in this entire FreeCAD journey, and I will see you soon with one such another topic. Till then, you take care and bye bye.